The Underwater Kingdom of Sparkles storyboard. On a sunny day at the edge of their cozy farm, Dee and their family stumbled upon something strange, an old pond tucked away behind the barn. Before anyone could answer, a glowing fish suddenly leapt from the pond. "Come with me. Our kingdom needs your help." With a leap of faith, they held hands and stepped into the magical pond, feeling themselves swirl and spin as the water enveloped them. When Dee opened their eyes, they found themselves in an incredible underwater world. "Welcome to the Kingdom of Sparkles," said Bubbles, the glowing fish. "Our kingdom's magical glow is fading, and we need your help to bring it back." They cleaned the coral, sang with the seahorses, and played games with the jellyfish to brighten their mood. Slowly but surely, the glow of the pearl began to return. As a reward, Bubbles gave Dee a small, glowing seashell. "This is a reminder that your family's kindness and courage will always light the way," Bubbles said. With smiles on their faces, Dee and their family returned to the cozy farm, knowing that they could always find the magic in their hearts.